enti oni pa ko a ono se ye bewiem ama alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no enti nkomse bebrebe if Jesus say yes nobody can say no. If Jesus has said you will be a flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia cannot change it. Assembly me denti na mabetite baby no.
Wow. You have inquiry.
Yeah. The voice mama starting fi Naa Toshie so. Ye panicho. Oye nua ba ye hu ni so ye nua ba. Nti yesere no. So beton ne ho a, onton ne ho yiye kwan pa so. Ma o meton ne ho se or be throw shade ama obi a because so start here ye mu bi ni de enim no wan hwe ye befono ye mpese ye ne be kogates sebe obi a wo mfom wo ne ho enti eto de bia na ya katakata so enti ye sere no onim satinte ho bi tare ne to ebi munim ti Naa Toshie se wutie the voice show ya wunya ate me ne pe na waka oto adwom because atinte rotary woto anya sa ni ebeba beka wa abonte no maame ebegu anim ase wuntimi mpie enti jai sa de na wo ye no ye disi yifo ne ka ne de ye ketua bi so nto timi tena wo office na wo top we decide ni na jesi ni na wonko a oba besia wo fum ade as if there is no tomorrow no yesrew woye obanti ena mede ma watufo bo ende no because woye ediem senka ya bonti suni a enka maame enko yie mawo ti mepa wo chew emmebusa wo bi adwuma wa bi because wo Naa Toshie wo mi adwuma na wonim sa doctor mi adwuma ana na wodi na chi no aya mo ka asem wei ende ocho no mo asesama no ema mo ya atrofo ema ye hu no kware bi ye den ewo mumu enka wukọ ye de woni pa ne so betimi aye na obubu anwei a wo ye dawadawa nyeme dawadawa sopi na wuka ho asem na wo hudwa wo ton ho nipa munya asade na mo ye no na ya ka mo ho enti muntimi nkasa without attacking Dr. Bawumia ana maame me say so what the voice as utia nya me ka ni na me nsa me ka bi ne mo musa bi wa no fi bi mu a ne ye be ka no wan hwe yi a esa nye uni obi ni wo ho no ame fie modin e do bato ho e voice ma menko achichafo no so se obefa wo mo won fa o madwumo enfo obi a ho bra me si minim ba bia jo mahama ti wo chensu wo mo a ka be kokko ka kire ne se papa me pene wo ye no koso aye ne wo ye no hwe me nsam moja me pene wo ye no moja no koso a menhie mu because Swensie and your momati couple. We deserve that. At the end of order, I know, and one and Uncle Ponde Yaden, at the Amaye. In Tichafo, Munkamanuntum. So now also by one time posting. Now one time posting in Yama, police channel. What be on channel? At the end of Casana or Namhon. Bra, at Asha John Mahama is also a person of God. At he any John Mahama. Also a question of God. And so no asafo ni
we see asori baku 10 Emma Assemblies of God.
And yan mama John Mahama akọ heaven. Eno kura yantuma gufi e wo awurade anim. E yantuma gufi e ya de tantan wo awurade anim. E san se ke kan ne saade anka David. No ye man of God's own art no. Anka wonyankopon o ma David si asori dan ne ma. Ba kwa kire ye se David. Ne nsa wo moja. Enti Solomon no mesi asori dan ne ma. Enti John Mahama nsa wo moja ya. Ena mo husu bempa so yati asori dan ya wasi bra. Eno kwa na de no me na ye dan. Abre Ghana so munnim a me ka kire. Obi a ne nsa wo moja bia wonsi asori dan. David pere ma ni na egu ho ma Solomon. Ena Solomon be ye dan. Ebesi Zion. Enti atichafo ene nursefo one time posting mo ntwan why. Ai. Se na mo se mo ajalawa na ba na mo nto. Enti mamu mesu na the boy say hokwa dem sankofo no hu ye mebufu no me pese me kom atichafo no kwa de say 9% for no kwa do omo 1%. Me so on ungrateful ni ingratitude na wo Ghana fo bi mom. Omo 1%. Enje kabonu kwa kache Mahama say omo 1% what? Ombabo some shia mahama why yaje omprene yeah me ko proxy for no so bra yes se pekuo se election committee for yes wom enye akato na broyi e na ombo ba be kasa ommo obi me yeden e me ye proxy voting ye pa omo chew na yanu ma yenya plenty kiti ma no so ye be yeden asamanga sefo yenya cast kam no enkoto no so ye be yeden yesra no why yesra wom bra ukwa akosira kwan wa adwuma mu a ebeche what you say enti sa December abato we say na se mi wo obi ho na the voice mi jiwudi na minim se ukoto aba na obeto ama ebia kwabena Japan amame a azumi se obeto aba ama kwabena Japan ama ekoto aba ama kwabena Japan na se obeto ama kwabena Japan ama mi jiwudi o because I was say nipa no ugini di ansa na wo de wa de na ya dai aman ye maame no ma ebia bi mu yare good dem na bi oye delegate sabi stroke na aye no na say bia ontimi mfo plane ma na so se ne bankoto aba ma na obeka kire me se ompene ma me bankoto aba ma me a na pipi na me di eche sesan spectator na asa dai aya se mu take decision bia mu fa mu ho nhye shu ni mu na ho hwe se ye wu a anka be ye wo da na because 2 months pe onjai na adwuma ho bra obeba na se bi osigunachi a obeye de atua aha wo ma me ni obapa ni ha ye yi wo niam agu abonte awaka kire hwan awoni mu sa brei ye pa cho why se December de ani mpo a ye to no kra na yetimi to proxy na anka ye beye de ye beye ye koye Europa NDC fo yare yi no ma me anya Europa and na so proxy vote so MPP fo akrache fo mo na musimu ni mode bebie ni ho a esi kwan se ye ntimi nya proxy vote enti oni pa ko a ono si ye bewiem ama Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no enti nkomhye bebrebe if Jesus say yes nobody can say no if Jesus has say you will be a flag bearer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia cannot change it rigging the election cannot change it stealing of one wine just anointing why you usu be papa ni na it cannot change it enti ade no manu dem amokam come share bana da she ni na ade come share enya papa ana ye calculate ni bia ana say eye de wo he bia ni bia mu ncheche ye ni eye psychological way de ni bia na mu play with our we be say conscience ana say sen mentia de na say the voice because nyame na mo se mo no na mo ye Christopher na ye nkramofo no nyame no so kasa yes obi bia ntimi nche nyame adwun bra
yeah
this also be the president at the voice or do be kwakodi mesi akanda kokura na wawu nyame o do be the president na ansa na waye den wawu enti ade na nyankopon kom shaba ya tworo hu buku na wanka sase a waye anwa president yi 7,000 job president yi na wano san dem so obi be wi abem mu de da bia obi wi amo ana no no fu se aba na yatuma obi na obi koyi mu de afiri mu enti okabra na atwa atu phone so ana ode kire enti ka wadie mu kwato ana nka mwatwa na makan ni patan ana proxy vote yatuma awo se de be ya ye wi ama doctor
right me
because mu de mo she space ya obi anhwe ewu bi da afa abden
me da say
ana mu be sin krofo kwan se mo nkoto aba
me da say
ya pa mo cho why mati so mo se so ma meto o ma nkrofo nkoto aba na ma wo ma wo de o be kokot me ni o mo ya agi o mo fo mo kokot the voice me da say
Kumasi Queen Uncle Salifo, I'll come to you by Uncle P by or phrase so enti my man of 5 minutes now. Yes, Uncle Salifo before Saban. Yeah, Uncle P 5 minutes,
yeah, I might not keep that long. Good evening from my side, and for good morning, afternoon. The voice, first of all, I have to congratulate you. I have to thank you guys. You guys are doing a great job. We do appreciate you. But, I also advise you that whilst we are in a position and you are putting this much work, you take the time to also upgrade yourself. So that when the table turns, you can get a spoon to eat in the dining table, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in school doing my MPhil PhD in pharmacology. Next year, so I'm starting law.
That's good.
God willing.
And don't forget also to partake in the Patriot Institute. You know what I mean?
Right, right.
Register that one too, so that at least you get yourself registered and then linked up to the powers that
Right.
might be.
Right.
So
Thank you.
that is said and done. I won't waste much time, but there's something that is circulating on social media. It started from Shamima Muslim. I saw Ashanti Regional Minister rehearsing it. I've heard Kojo Aduasare also say the same thing.
Tell them now.
I tell them, Asa, yes, sister, Denchamo, of you, so I said, the source of the information, they are part of the cabinet in the Jubilee House. That is why they intentionally took that lady off our affairs, get to Tokonu off. Now they have their own in the helms of affairs. And the message to say, Planka Williams to say, also their prophecy.
Yeah.
So you see the angle that it is coming from.
Yeah.
So I will urge the voices that be people with conscience, people with ears, should listen. They shouldn't take it for joke. Because I'm this for my cool pain. And they can do modernized school. More than 21st century, Gen Z cool. So the earlier the better, no. That's what killers are issue. We have to take it very, very serious. And we must say internal markets for home. Bawumia, you say a dominant to the center structure, so it is normal say we'll be back at the Bawumia. Any part 5 year contested. What I say? We'll be a man council now will be cut. But in Panafo say you will say better or soon or how to see whom cook that. What I say? Bawumia,
Yeah.
investing. Say the number I friends Samira analogy. Me wo my few ho me so tomame na so me nkorache me ko buy ko do fi a it has no different my few ho. I'm not trustworthy, but me is
Right.
consistent. Naa Toshie the politics, it's politics and she has to bite. But all these they focus on also a segregation, a sieving, into a sieving, but me we need and when he sit down to reflect, no who more obetuma ye adwuma eno omo ntunyere eno mo nya adwuma nto omo se ane ye omo yom ho firim we elimination by self conscience wa na we hu afirim obi ampamo na me yadoma se ba omi awe ni a no ntimi ma because ogo me ho fi sebe o se me ho bon sebe o mate me se me ho bon na metimi ba bia so you don't come to me.
Yeah.
And they are making say ye CV. We are getting the fine out of we are separating the fine from the chaff. In chaff in the CV. Into one they should keep on throwing stones. But Ghana for we are discerning. And people for delegates are also discerning. They know what they want. And your community are better. And yeah, I want to be called about it. You've been in government in the 8 years, and for first time we became a businessman. And Jordan now started a business, What I say? Until one day, politics. It's politics. So it will settle down. But the MIA said, it's going to be very difficult for us to mend. But like I said, you CV. Take me that's it.
Me that's Uncle P. Yeah, Uncle Salifu. Beto Breme. 5 minutes, Uncle. Good evening. Uncle Salifu, Pajowa Ho. Only who I did Sister Sabina. Pajo Breme. 5 minutes. Good evening. No, be about Cordia. Michelle.
So internal we see na ya na mo need to say me but MPP for me soon. Then na That internal attack, ain't me. I know so we are doing politics, whatever jobs they are better to have them. But job I want him say what to or china, who see any pakrona, what's me pressure when ni and shiny panody. Oh my yen. And I hope say multiple jobs in multiple seats near that number work contest view. Because I would tell you now who said these people now mobile selected blackberry mine. They are the same people on Basa to Muswaba no. And it's a mutiatia who now so no sound come consequences no. No man to about more. No more be a bitter. I say Nipacona contesting a huna money. No more red film who near Moja Yanti a farming in our bar. Me, that is why I don't want to do in as much as support Dr. Bawumia. Everyone knows. I still don't want to do internal politics because me per se me kwa kwa say NPP me and I say me can't be a big NPP. NPP first. At the end of the day, we have the general public na ye kwa face you general Ghanaians na ye kwa face now. Nti Mr. Mo, ya ka. For all you know, your favorite candidate here when you are brain who or china kra na or be you obi kra won pen anymore. Now on only one thing, what did you be at tobacco cassette or be a cocan cassette? Now, Fay, one in the pan and you're fine. You have all done on hustle sound with the pan crowd on trust too. And be because of numbers, politics, and numbers into a best selection. Mana ni muno on trust too. It is a nipper and yanko point. I don't know, baby, and Bibi papa bi na was what them our farm afraid no be bitterness na akosro. Mama men can send be falan. She falan. I remember say 2008. Na me name support Chief Falan. Yeah, 2008. Na me
Wow.
support Falan. But make this contest. Na make na men kind of help our staff so. Your staff. Uba 1 minute teacher ba ko na friend na buache siama. Minini mi enu pe na na support Alan. No mo maka nyina support na. Na waba na ye debate den dia. Enti so obi kra ka say na ebeba. Ama me Chief Alan kra just me hu say ne political career kra gu kra ke. Obi akra nyin. Oh yes, obi na obeje the same. I got to a point I'm in kind of cry say Chief Alan was once your friend is my favorite. Ayi your friends are politics akonya. Enye fi akonya no aka say akonya we de me e ofase akonya. E na me na me panyin ti e de ye bedroom so. Your favorite today no china obetimi aye you cry won kai no mpo. Mommy enfa enkrofo bebroma pedidi ye ni. Obeti za Samia wuku that man no youth organizer. Okasa amunti the whole Ghana and this young people no be a kopena kotino. Samia wuku dey what dinner no. You guys have no idea. Samia wuku first okasa. Nipa obi etie no. Peace FM obi etie Samia wuku. Ene baby the voice dry in the constituency and have you forgotten? Nipa pu yet Samia wuku kasa all right. Ba ye pu ni na chi ti say the five year pu ni na chi no. Samia wuku what do you be among hunetia? First, me say what kasa Samia wuku kasa. One entie no. NDC4, NPP4 will be a kotie no. And I send the constituency in Guan Oshe and Okasa. That's it. And see, any pan bet me your favorite, and that's what me your beer. Any pan now be traded it. Ochina, only one person from my village. It is a woody one knowledge, not never be because on could do. And away, and I see social media, you be your bachelor. Miss Montana politics near. What am betting me your bat in the gino? I don't know, my
All right.
Naa Toshie, you are a beautiful woman. I respect you for a long time. To me, who will be all of a sudden? Mukwa could move free Dr. Bawumia could the other candidate. China was some mobile attacking. You were once with him. So what has changed? If now you don't want to follow him again, you want to follow somebody else. The person you are following, Just tell the can't about the delegates and say, this person me who say one, who say one. To be sure, man. Is that one too difficult for you guys to do instead of attacking Dr. Bawumia all the time? Hmm? Just campaign, project your candidates. Now, candidates will say, okay, you pass me, see, I'm in achieve. You don't even have to mention Dr. Bawumia and Nasa Obia, any of the candidates needing to project your candidate.
Right.
I mean, go attack you, Obia. That is how we should do. Make Dr. Bawumia some as a minimum, meaning say what champion zip line. Minimum, meaning so champion, your friend say.
Interoperability.
Definitely. Meaning so what champion, Yama be. And no, met me, I can't catch and say because of that, we should vote for him. Minimum in himself, with the buy, we are singing this, on and on fighting for us. Well, Nigeria buying boon and you now the crony, and a nipple boon, and no more move for buy your chrono. We were able to what you say, yeah, Musa. What I say, yeah, also saw about it, one and another, yeah. Inflation, cost, we are singing. I've been saying, say, you come up for $2. COVID inflation quite the equal $22. California for quite also have no 30 something. And yet, Dr. Bawumia and now the dinner sapon and the Kumai. They fought for us. So if I'm nothing at all to say about Dr. Bawumia, meaning say, or comfort and then we are seeing now a general COVID and no one will be who baby or Dr. Bawumia. And the supporting another my COVID. And then COVID in free.
Yo, it does say. It does say Auntie Sabina.
And I'm Mary.
Yeah, so.
No matter
I 10 minutes.
But you should have told me that for 10 minutes.
No, I actually gave you 5 minutes and you done 10 minutes. All right, so 2 minutes more. Let's have it.
And the teachers. Meno. I am Mr. Meno. I've come to conclusions, and my conclusion say it wasn't about anything that the Ghanaians voted against Nanado. As I'm saying, Nanado are now you're brand people. Men yes, why you teacher ni Jomahama bread D can so. I would be a who are quaway. The Yakano Kujato. Jomahama not quite an enemy, she's a Kujato. Oh, Kujato wait to Miss Suman for summer supervising with teaching. One could have told Sabra Polaka told you the upper necra when you need run. Sisa, 12 years ago, no free new film. Never then time age, and no sooner will be some more teacher farm.
No, you bear 29 years those days.
Supervising the teaching. Have validation, a whole must say, ye headmaster crown validate 2 near to your canna, a back of 3 months and son of Sikabana. These people that they buy or could have told that they buy. You felt it. It's the enemy one must say. Ghana no, I refuse so no. Say, me never de could dear Ghana no yet. I dear Crawford when you dear Pomudi yang. Ha! Miss Simo could you tell in a classroom now? One was small will be some men who said they will sit teaching. Now, would any head teacher, headmaster, yes, one validate 2 1 month. What catch you become 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Now, what catch your man? These are the things that your Muhammad and call for the deal. The day I'm beyond a back at my mum to go in a chairman, I'm got man. I'm fine, I'm part of you, you know. I'm fine, what I see me time or something. In the best option of my banter.
Sure, Mida Santi Sabina, thanks for coming through.